Are you an industry professional seeking to improve your understanding of customer experience? Do you want to build strategies as well as understand the complex nature of consumer behavior? Or are you an individual keen to learn the ropes of customer experience management? Welcome to Customer Experience Management Training. In this valuable training, you will explore how understanding and improving customer experience can drastically enhance your business performance. This training dives into mastering customer journey mapping, designing effective omnichannel experiences, as well as measuring and analyzing customer satisfaction. The best part? Our hands-on course project bridges theory and practice, empowering you to launch and succeed in any industry. Our learning environment is tailored to provide personalized support to each and every student. Our dedicated team of educators and tutors is just a click away, ensuring you get the guidance you need to excel in your studies. Are you prepared to level up your skills? Book a free consulting meeting with our knowledgeable experts and explore the best path for your growth.